Please subscribe and like.
Says he feared for his life during a road rage attack in Lee County. The other driver is accused of pulling a gun on him, but thankfully he's doing okay tonight. Thanks so much for staying up with us here on ABC 7 after Monday Night Football. I'm Jeff Harris.
And I'm Megan Miller. This all happened on US 41 in Bonita Springs. ABC 7's Madison Adams is getting us more on how the driver's quick thinking helped deputies intervene.
It's kind of devastating. We don't want that stuff around here. Not at all.
Just before 7 on Sunday night, a man called the Lee County Sheriff's Office saying that another driver pointed a gun at him near South Tamiami Trail and Highland Woods Boulevard. Thousands of people, including Bob Blinn, drive down this road every day.
You just never know what's going to happen. So I don't want it to happen to me, that's for sure.
Lee County deputies say the victim told them that his car was sitting in front of a red Toyota. And it's not clear why, but the driver in the red Toyota got angry and pulled his car up next to the victim. And he was so angry that he then took out his handgun from the center console and pointed it at the other driver.
You're foolish. Come on, man. There's no reason for any of that at all. None.
The victim told deputies that as soon as he saw the handgun, he called 911.
I would follow him and call 911 as I was following him as far as I could get until police stopped him.
And that's exactly what the victim did for over 15 minutes until deputies were able to pull both of them over right here near this intersection off of Orange Blossom Drive and Goodlet Frank Road in Naples.
I don't want to say that the world's getting crazy, but the world really is getting crazier and scarier.
The victim was able to keep a safe distance between him and the other driver while waiting for deputies. The Lee County Sheriff's Office won't say if they've arrested anyone, but they're in contact with everyone involved. In Bonita, Madison Adams, ABC 7.